Hello there. Have you heard of the term constant internal body temperature? Perhaps you have. This is the temperature at which the body functions at its best. It is about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the human body is able to maintain its internal body temperature through different processes. In this lesson and the subsequent ones, we will be learning about these processes and how the body keeps the other conditions of its internal environment constant. Meet Mike, who loves playing football. One hot day, Mike decided to play football with a couple of his friends. As they started, Mike's body was exposed to heat from the surroundings and physical activity from running and kicking the ball. This caused his internal body temperature to rise a little above normal. Now, to regulate his body temperature, Mike's body began to activate its cooling mechanisms. As he continued, he began to sweat, which allowed the heat to escape from his body through evaporation. As the sweat evaporates into the atmosphere, Mike's body begins to cool down and gradually brings his internal temperature back to normal. Now, on a cold day, the body's internal temperature becomes a little lower than normal. To respond to this change, the body decreases blood flow to the skin and causes the muscles to produce heat by shivering. This gradually returns the body's internal temperature to normal. Now, maintaining the body's internal temperature is one of the ways the body keeps its cells working optimally. This is because the body cells operate at defined and narrow ranges of physical and chemical conditions, including temperature, pH, osmotic pressure, and glucose concentration. These body cells are surrounded by body fluids such as blood, lymph, and tissue fluids, or interstitial, which make up the body's internal environment. The body's fluids exchange nutrients, gases, ions, and even heat with cells they surround. On the other hand, the body's external environment is composed of the space outside of it, from where the body gets materials like nutrients and oxygen for survival, and into which the body releases waste products of metabolism and ingested substances. Since the external environment constantly interacts with body cells and fluids, the body must keep the physical and chemical conditions of its internal environment constant for the body cells to function optimally. That's right. The process by which the body maintains a stable or steady internal environment is known as homeostasis. Now, homeostasis is the body's way of keeping its internal environment steady, regardless of the changes in the external environment. Homeostasis is vital for the survival of all living organisms, and in subsequent lessons, we'll commence our study of what homeostasis really entails. I'll be seeing you there, friend. Bye.